Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare the easiest curry chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell the family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken, it's already cleaned and washed. So basically, I'm gonna go in and start adding the seasoning to my chicken. Now, you want to ensure that you chop up your chicken in some smaller pieces because you're gonna go ahead and curry your chicken. Now, I'm gonna add some of my basil, some of my cilantro. I will also add some paprika. I will also go in and add some seasoned salt, some of my black pepper, and if you do have other seasoning that you want to add, you can always go ahead and do so. Just be creative and always remember to be you in the kitchen and utilize whatever you have at home. Once I add all of that powdered seasoning, I'll just combine everything together nicely, and then I'm gonna go in and of course add my curry powder. Now there's different kind of brands of curry on the market. You can always go ahead and check out the one that you like. However, I'm gonna use the Indian curry today. Like I said, you can always go ahead and use any curry of your choice. Once I add the curry powder, I will go in and of course cover my chicken and put it to the side for roughly about an hour to an hour and a half. Now, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can even visit your local meat shop, and of course, you'll get most of these items there as well. So just to note, I went ahead and just chop up some onion, some of my scallion, some of my French thyme, some garlic, and of course some scotch bonnet pepper that I'm going to add to this, and a few pieces of pimento. I went ahead and just crushed that up nicely, and I just put it to the side until I'm ready to add it to my curry chicken. Now it's time to go ahead and of course start preparing my curry chicken. I added some oil to my pot and then I just allow that to hot. I will also go in and add some of my garlic and of course my scotch bonnet pepper. Then I'm gonna go in with my curry powder, allow that to burn a little, and you don't want it to burn too much, you don't want it to be too dark. And of course then I'm gonna go in and of course add my chicken. So guys, just to know, no need to add any water at this stage. Your chicken will eventually springs its own water, and once it's finished, almost finished cooking, that's the time you can always go ahead and just tip a little bit of water in your curry. So no need to add any water just yet. Wait until it's almost finished cooking. So once I add my chicken, of course, we just combine everything together nicely. And of course, you want to turn your stove on medium to low heat. Just allow that to just slow cook. Then I'm going to cover it and leave it there for roughly about 20 or so minutes. And then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Now, you can always go ahead and have this with some rice. You can have it with rice and peas. You can have it with some yam, some banana, some dumpling, whatever you have at home. Just be creative. And remember to always be you in the kitchen. You can even go ahead and make some roti with your curry chicken. Like I said, this is very easy. This is very simple, and your family will love it. So you can always go ahead and give it a try. So after 20 minutes, this is what my curry chicken looks like. Coming along quite fine. Like I said, no need to add water. The chicken will spring its own water, so no need to add water just yet. But when it's almost finished cooking, we're going to go in and of course add the seasoning and also a little bit of water. So what I did, I went ahead and add some water to the same container that I seasoned my chicken in, and basically just to get all of that seasoning out of the container, and that's what we're going to pour over our chicken. So this is it. My chicken coming along quite fine, and I will not add any more of the powdered seasoning because this is amazing already. The flavor is just rich and the taste is amazing. So now that my chicken is almost finished cooking, it's time to go ahead and of course add my onion, my scallion and all of that goodness to my chicken. And like I said, a little bit of water, combine all of that goodness together. And then we're just going to allow this to cook down nicely. Once it's cooked down nicely, I will go ahead and serve mine up with some dumplings, some yam and banana of course. And then I'll just show you guys the final product of this amazing curry chicken. Stay tuned guys for the final product. And here you have it, the final product of my amazing curry chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Guys, we're on our way to 10K subscribers. Help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.